Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a workout and diet plan. All right, let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website and log in to your account. To get more detailed responses, make sure the Think feature is turned on if it's available. Once you're set, type a prompt that explains your goals. For example, you can say, "I am a 35-year-old man. Please create a workout plan to help me build muscle and lose weight. I need both a workout plan and a diet plan." Based on what you enter, ChatGPT will create a personalized plan for you. The plan will include workouts, sets, reps, and a suggested diet to help support your fitness goals. You can go through the plan and change anything if needed. To make it even easier to follow, you can ask ChatGPT again to turn the plan into a weekly schedule. This will arrange your workouts and meals by day, making it simple to follow and stay consistent. So that's basically how you can use ChatGPT to create a workout and diet plan. That's it for this video.